Welcome to our video on first impression job interview statistics. We all know how crucial first impressions are, especially when it comes to job interviews. But did you know that you only have about 7 seconds to make a strong first impression on your potential employer? Yes, you heard that right. 7 seconds. That's how long it takes for someone to form an initial opinion of you. So, it's crucial to put your best foot forward and make the most of those precious few seconds. Here are a few tips to help you make a great first impression. Firstly, smile. A warm and genuine smile can go a long way in making a positive impression. Secondly, shake hands firmly but not too aggressively. It's a good way to show confidence and respect. Thirdly, speak clearly and confidently, and don't forget to maintain eye contact. Finally, be yourself. Authenticity is always appreciated and can help you stand out from the crowd. Now that you know the importance of making a great first impression, let's dive deeper into the statistics and explore how it impacts your job interview success. Subscribe so you do not miss part 2.